Okay, so I want to show you another way to record the video for your slide. And this time you don't have to worry about your face being on the slide. So I'm sure that a lot of you will want to use this for the rest of them. Now, you can always go with the other method and put your face in on some of the slides. And I think sometimes that helps just by being able to see somebody and interacting with them. All right, but let's look at another way to add our recording. So we are still in the desktop version. There is the slide that we just finished making. Let's go ahead and look at this in our notes view. So again, if you click on the view and you go notes, there's my script right here. Now, here's where we have just a little bit of a problem. I want to insert the recording, the audio. And so if I go up here and I click on the insert, you'll see that audio is grayed out. I don't know why I don't make the rules, but I can't insert an audio and look at my notes. But if I go to viewing the regular, I can't see my notes. Here's a workaround for it. If you view in the outline version, you can see your notes. You'll just have to kind of move them up a bit so that you can see them. That's the best workaround that I've found, other than printing your notes out and having them on a separate piece of paper. I like everything here. So now let's insert a recording. If I go up here and I click on the insert and I go all the way over here to the right and click on the audio, the down arrow, you'll see I can record the audio. Okay, I'm going to record the audio. It opens up a dialog box, and this looks familiar. You see play, stop, record. Here's what I'm going to tell you. After you hit the record button, wait a second or two to start talking. There is a little bit of a lag. But remember, you can't go longer than 20 seconds because the slide's going to move. The quilt codes are connected with the category of slavery because they were used by the Underground Railroad to help slaves escape. I think it's very interesting because learning about different methods of communication is important. When you're done, you click the OK button, and you can see this little speaker right here. Now, this is where you get to listen to it and see if you like it or not. The quilt codes are connected with the category of slavery because they were used by the Underground Railroad to help slaves escape. I think it's very interesting because learning about different methods of communication is important. If you hate it, just delete that icon and go through the process again. If you're okay with it, here's what you need to do. You notice how it's still got that square around it. Come up here and click the playback button, because what we want to do is automate this process in the presentation. So you'll see where it says start, you're going to say automatically. You want to select rewind after playing, and watch this. I don't want to see a speaker in the middle of my slide. So if I click on this one, hide during show, it's not going to show up when I play. So let's take a look now. If I go in here to view and I go normal, and let's look at my first two slides that both have recordings. So I'm going to go slideshow. And I'm going to say from the beginning. Oh, and it put it on the wrong screen. Hi, my name's Jane Day, and I am a student at Cooper Academy. I will be giving a presentation. Hold on, guys. Sorry. All about the quilt codes and how they were used by the. It went on the wrong screen. Let's try it here. I can do this here, right here. That will make it work better. Okay, let's try that again. Hi, my name's Jane Day, and I am a student at Cooper Academy. I will be giving a presentation all about the quilt codes and how they were used by the Underground Railroad to help the slaves find their way. Many people think they're not true. The quilt codes are connected with the category of slavery because they were used by the Underground Railroad to help slaves escape. I think it's very interesting because learning about different methods of communication is important. And you'll see it'll just advance from there. So this is the process that we'll be going through. Okay? See you in class.